Hi, this is Dr. Dean Caleda, Calaveras County Health Officer. I'm joined today by Sheriff DeBasilio and Chief Ellis from Angels Camp Police Department with information related to the community requirements to stay at home and social distancing around the coronavirus outbreak. We wanted to take the opportunity to update the community on our current COVID-19 situation in Calaveras County. On March 19, 2020, Governor Gavin Newsom issued Executive Order N-33-20, directing all California residents to remain at home except to maintain essential critical infrastructure. County officials have reported confusion about what can remain open and under what circumstances to comply with the governor's stay-at-home order. Yesterday, March 26, 2020, a third case of COVID-19 was confirmed in a Calaveras County resident. Calaveras Public Health expects additional cases of COVID-19 to be confirmed in residents of Calaveras County in the coming weeks. In order to preserve the public health and safety, and to ensure that the local and regional healthcare delivery systems are capable of serving all who may need them during the course of this emergency, I, as the local health officer of Calaveras County, hereby order that all individuals living in Calaveras must stay home or at their place of residence, except as needed to maintain essential business and governmental operations. This order goes into effect immediately. This order is in place until further notice. Any persons violating this order may be subject to citation and/or arrest. Essential services will continue to remain open, such as gas stations, pharmacies, grocery stores, farmers markets, food banks, convenience stores, takeout and delivery restaurants, banks, laundromats and laundry services, and essential local government functions will also remain open, including law enforcement and offices that provide government programs and services. Any other non-essential services must close immediately. This includes golf and disc golf courses, churches and places of worship, secondhand stores, thrift stores, consignment stores, flea markets, and antique shops, hair, nail salons, barber shops, spas, massage parlors, and tattoo parlors, public, private, and nonprofit special events involving shared physical space, visitor and convention centers, guided sporting activities such as guided fishing and hunting, fish, bait, and tackle shops, recreational boating, including the use of either motorized or non-motorized vessels or watercraft, short-term lodging facilities, including hotels, motels, condominiums, campgrounds, or other units, may not continue to operate for any purpose other than mitigation or containment measures, or to operate for the limited purpose of housing critical care infrastructure workers. I encourage you to read the entirety of this order by going to the Calaveras Public Health website and going to our COVID-19 link, or by calling the health department at 754-6460. Everyone in our community needs to cooperate with the mitigation actions of maintaining physical distancing of at least 6 feet between others, avoiding any gatherings, and strict hand washing and cough etiquette. These actions are especially important for those at higher risk of complications and hospitalizations from COVID-19 infection. This includes those over 65 and those with chronic health conditions.
I would like to just reinforce what Dr. Caleda said. If we don't solve this problem now, there is an order that the governor put in place that people can be cited and or taken to jail because it's a misdemeanor for violating this order. We in the Sheriff's Department and at Angels PD do not want to do that. We're expecting our public to comply with this order for Dr. Caleda to keep your social distancing and not incur the other people coming into your space. Keep them out of your space. And if you see people in group settings, you need to say something. Don't cause a problem, but say, hey, we need to stop this virus now. Again, if we don't do it now, it's going to continue on. And if the governor changes his order, which would make Dr. Clay to change his order, which rolls downhill into mine and Chief Ellis's realm, to where now, because people are not complying, we are forced to go out and write citations. And we don't want to write citations because now we're talking about monetary fines, and that's money out of our pockets, and we don't need that. What we need is for people to comply with this order so that we can get a handle on this thing and move our lives forward as we would love to do in Calaveras County.
Hi, Chief Ellis, the Angels Camp Police Department here. I just want to let you all know, including all the public, that the Sheriff's Department, the Public Health Department, we're working hand in step together to make sure that we follow these rules. One thing that I want to ensure that the public is aware that your law enforcement community is out there in full force as they normally would be 24/7, 7 days a week. Don't hesitate if there's an emergency to call 911 if you need us.